They're gonna locate the stud to find out where we're gonna put the electrical box. It's not a good place. Alright, here I'm gonna just mark the area for the rectangle. Alright, and this is just how to mark the area. So we use the lever to first mark where we want to put it, and then you line it up and then mark it on the left and right sides, and then we use a lever to just fix the full triangle or the full rectangle. Okay, here we're going to use the multi-tool to cut open that rectangle. Just going to shove it in. And I'm just creating a path so I can run the wire up to the box. Right, and this is how I'm gonna just guide it through. Just bring up where the current location is and just run it through some path through the wall and bring it up so I can connect it to the box. Alright, now I got it in. And just you gotta put it through the hole in the electrical box. Alright, I'm gonna go over how to cut the wire and connect it to an outlet. Let's use a razor, just come down the middle. Then peel it back. And use a wire stripper to strip the ends of the black and the white wire. Now connect the black wire to the brass screw, brass color screw or gold in a way. Just screw that on. Then we connect the white wire to the silver screw and screw that on to the silver screw. So white wire goes onto silver. And now for the green screw is what we use copper for. It's pretty universal. The black wire is actually the live wire. That's where most of the power is coming from in the house. So of course, be sure to have the power off when working this. Now this is just an example of how to connect it. So we see here, black goes to the brass screw, and white goes to the silver screw, and copper goes to the green screw. Even though I connected a single outlet, that's just they're all the same pretty much. Now here is covering up the hole that was made for that path. I'm gonna use some wire mesh here. And use some easy sand 5-minute mud. Just add a little to it. Add some water. Not too much, just a little bit of water. And then we mix it until we get a peanut butter consistency. Like creamy peanut butter. Take some time for this thing. And once you got it, just be careful and start basically applying the mud to the wire mesh. You will need to do 2 coats. So the first coat, just apply it and wait about, I guess, 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes. And then you can apply the second coat. Now we want to smooth the mud. We come back with a bigger spatula and smooth it out. See, I'm smoothing it out, and this is actually getting it ready to get painted. But being that this is behind the dishwasher, and I don't plan on painting it, so this would be the final step you do. Well, sand is, of course. Now, this is the final product without painting, and this is how it looks after I patch the hole in the path and I put on the cover. So now it's ready for the outlet.